Hello, this is Nina Parvari. I am a second back student in microbiology. I'm interested in antimicrobial resistance, mainly due to the higher incidence of nosocomial infections that are surging in hospitals and other healthcare settings. One really great way to look for correlates of antimicrobial resistance is to sample soil bacteria using culture-based methods and other methods, but I've chosen the culture-based methods. And I am doing this with the correlate variables of urbanization, proximity to hospitals, and lactose fermentation. Specifically, I am interested in seeing the effect of urbanization. In this way, I tested soil samples from small, medium, and large cities and found that there are correlates of higher tetracycline resistance, specifically in larger cities, and in some cases, uh, fairly significant fairly significant increases in AMR. But surprisingly, medium-sized cities, which are those roughly 300 to 400,000 population, have in this study shown a much higher surge of up to six-fold higher incidence of antimicrobial resistance. And the reasons are not clear. More study needs to be done, more research needs to be done in this area. There are a myriad of reasons. It could be some unique activity going on there that has changed uh, metabolism of certain bacterial species. It could be unique species and competition. At any rate, I was very surprised to find that, but I was not surprised to see that in general, urbanization is positively correlated with antimicrobial resistance. Conversely, proximity to hospitals has an inverse relationship with AMR, such that increase in distance um, uh, away from hospitals leads to lowered antimicrobial resistance, which is not surprising. Other studies have shown that before, but it's not always linear. So I am interested in the future to see what the quirks are, what the peaks are, and what anomalies are in this milieu. Also, with respect to lactose fermentation, a very high percentage of it, I would say about 90% or more, of the um, um, antimicrobial resistant or tetracycline resistance in this case, bacteria that I tested were also lactose fermenters. And so I would like to look at more about what's causing this, what mechanisms are going on, what makes lactose fermentation such a interesting correlate with respect to that. Um, this is a study that I am going to be continuing. This is just the phase one, I guess, of it, but I am excited to participate in the Discover Symposium and share my results. Thank you.